Hey there, friends. This week in math, we are learning about length and height. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these pairs, and we're going to compare them, seeing which one is longer or taller versus shortest, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and circle all the groups, and you are going to start looking at them once I've circled them, okay? And you're going to analyze which one is shorter and which one is longer or taller. All right, let's go ahead and start with the umbrellas. Which umbrella is the longer one and which one is the shorter one? Our shorter one, it looks like, is going to be, no, that's not the color I wanted. Our shorter one is going to be this yellow one. Which one is going to be the longer one? Which is the longer one? Looks like our red one on the right, huh? And you can just tell just by looking at it. You don't have to measure it. You can just tell that there's a difference between them. One is taller, one is shorter, just by looking at them. Let's do that same thing with the coats. Which coat is longer? Which coat is longer? That yellow one, right? This yellow one is our longer one. Which one is shorter? Which one is the shortest? That red one, right? Pretty easy. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it on our mice. So it looks like we have a little girl mouse with her little bow on top, and a little boy mouse. He has a little bow tie. Which one has the shorter tail? Which one has the shortest tail? The boy mouse, right? Just looking at his tail, you can see it's a little bit shorter. Which one has the longest tail? That girl mouse, right? Look at that. That's a lot longer than that boy one. Pretty good. Okay, let's do it with these girls. Which girl is the shortest? Which girl is shortest? Just from looking at it, it looks like the girl on the right in the yellow dress, right? It looks like she is the shortest. And how do I know that? This one is a little bit trickier because they're pretty similar in height, but I can just look and compare on top of their heads. Look, I can compare and say, you know what, I don't think that's quite equal. Which means the girl on the left is taller, right? Yeah, she is. Oh, that's not what I want. She silly Miss.Stokes. This is my taller friend, right? Taller. Awesome. And actually, I made an oopsie up here. I'm going to fix that. Because we're using green for taller and blue for shortest. All right. Let's look at our purses. Which purse is the longest? Not taller because, well, I mean, you could compare their heights, but we're kind of looking at the strap, right? And we want to know which strap is the longest just by looking at it. What do you think? Looks like this one here on the left is our longest one, which means our one on the right is our shortest one, huh? Okay, can we do that with our jump ropes? Which one is the shortest one? The red one, right? Which one is the longest one? The yellow one. Awesome job. Okay, we're down to our last couple sets. Trains. Which train is the longest? Just by looking at it, you can totally tell that this one on the right is our longest. But you could also count the cars on it, right? So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 cars on that one. Let's count the other one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, that's not quite the same. So I know this one is the shortest one, okay? But I could also just look at it and know. Let's try it with the pencils. Which one is the shortest one? This blue one, right? Good job. Which one is the longest one? That red, right? Oops, sorry, I didn't. That red one. Okay, last one, the rulers. Which ruler is longest? It's this one, right? This blue one on top. Which one is shortest? This white one. That's awesome, friends. Way to go comparing those sizes just by looking at them. Let's do one more page, okay? Let's go ahead and do this page. We're going to compare those sizes again. Let's look at the tongues. You ready? I see 1 tongue, 2 tongues, 3 tongues. Which tongue is the longest? The very longest. I would say, looking at all 3 tongues, this tongue is the longest. Now, is this tongue long too? Yes, it is. It is longer than this little guy down here. But which one is the very longest out of all of them? It's going to be this guy. Which one is the shortest, the very shortest? Which tongue is the very shortest? It's going to be this guy down here, huh? Yeah. And which tongue is like the middle size? Not the longest, not the shortest. It's going to be this guy, right? Awesome. Okay, my friends, this page I'm going to let you do on your own. So here we go. I'm going to circle this set. We have little tadpoles. We've got little fishies. We've got, I think that's actually it. Yeah, I'm going to say that's it. I want you to compare these 2 sets. Take a look at them and decide which is the very longest in each set and which is the very shortest and which is the middle size, okay? You're going to do this all by yourself. Go ahead and pause the video and do it by yourself, okay?